Hi, I'm Jennifer and I'm back again with another super easy football recipe. This recipe is perfect for football games, tailgate parties, anything of the sort. They're super easy and delicious. You can put them together in minutes and put them in the oven and serve them nice and warm with pizza sauce to dip them in. These little pizza balls are just so scrumptious and they're easy to eat during the tailgate or football game. Before we get started on a recipe, be sure to like and subscribe. Let's get busy putting this super easy recipe together. We're gonna need some pizza sauce, garlic, Italian seasoning, some jumbo biscuits, mozzarella cheese, pepperoni, Parmesan cheese, and some butter. We're gonna take our biscuits and cut them in half, and then we're gonna roll each half into a circle. When you have the little half piece of dough, just take the two ends that are the straight flat across piece and just fold them together and pinch them, and it makes like a little donut. Then it's perfect to flatten out or to roll smooth with your rolling pin. Now just put down a little bit of sauce, one piece of pepperoni, some mozzarella cheese on top. You could use grated or little cuts of cheese, and another pepperoni. Now we'll pinch up the sides. It's easiest to pull up the sides and then pinch them closed. If you find your dough is sticky, just go ahead and put some flour down on your cutting board and on your rolling pin. You can fill these little pizza balls with anything you like. You could put some pulled pork and some barbecue sauce. You could put some taco meat and cheddar cheese. There's so many delicious options you could make. The possibilities are endless. Now that all of the little pizza balls are on the tray, just like little dumplings, it's time to brush them with melted butter, Italian seasoning, and garlic. We'll just heat our butter in the microwave. We'll just add our garlic in, stir up the butter, and we're gonna add our Italian seasoning. Add as much or little as you would like. Mix that into the butter, and we'll brush this wonderful buttery sauce right over the top. We'll get these coated with this wonderful melted butter, Italian seasoning, and garlic. These only take just a couple minutes to put together, and you can put these together ahead of time and put them in your refrigerator. And right before your guests come, right before game time, you can put them in the oven and bake them, so that way when your company's there, they'll be nice and hot. Now that we have the butter on, we can go ahead and add our Parmesan cheese. Just sprinkle it right on the top. The butter will help it stick very nicely. Now we'll get these to the oven, preheated at 375. Now we'll get these in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes until they're golden brown. After 18 minutes, I took the wonderful little pizza balls out of the oven. It smells like a pizzeria bakery in my house. And here's how the wonderful, delicious little pizza balls turned out. I have some pizza sauce for dipping as well. They're perfect for a football appetizer party. Thank you so much for being here today. Hope you have a really fun football game with these wonderful little appetizers in my appetizer series. Give these little pizza balls a try and realize just how tasty and cute and easy to eat they are. I'll be so happy if you subscribe and hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.